Three killed during drive-by attack in Clarendon identified. Another triple murder, this time in St. James. Two of Jamaica's most wanted among three killed in St. James police military shootout. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The three people who were shot and killed in Clarendon on Friday have been identified. They are Kelvin Anderson, otherwise called Styler, age 42, a truck operator of Peckham District; Cecil Ricketts, otherwise called Porch, a shopkeeper of Grantham District; and Delroy Facey, otherwise called Skendon or Missy Don, age 56, a farmer of Belmont District, all from the parish. Information received is that the three victims were at a shop which is operated by Ricketts when a SUV motor vehicle, color and registration not yet ascertained, was driven to the location, and men armed with guns exited the vehicle and fired several shots. The criminals then flee from the area. The police were summoned, and on arrival, all three men were found with gunshot wounds all over their bodies. The scene was processed, and they were taken to the Maypen Hospital, where they were confirmed dead. The usually quiet farming community of Rompton, St. James, was plunged into mourning after three of its male residents were gunned down in the community on Friday. Their numbers bring to 6 the number of people killed in the area since the start of the week. The victims have been identified as 38-year-old Conroy Lawrence, otherwise called Beanie, shopkeeper Chevon Gordon, alias Kong, and 50-year-old Carleslie Morris, otherwise called Shutter. Reports are that the men were at a shop in the community at about 10 p.m. on Friday when they were attacked and shot several times. The incident took place days after two other men were also shot dead in the same area. The men killed on Wednesday were identified as 23-year-old Linston Anderson and 20-year-old Tavoy Dorman. Reports are that they were at their home when gunmen forced their way into the house and shot them several times. Three men, including two of Jamaica's most wanted criminals, were fatally shot Saturday afternoon in St. James during a shootout with the security forces. One of the deceased men has been identified as Nestor Zadu Gallimore. The identities of the other two were not released. The police stated that the three men is believed to be responsible for at least 10 murders in the parish. Information released is that around 3 o'clock, a police military team went to a house located in an area called Compound, which is on the border of Barretown and Spot Valley in search of wanted men. More details to come following further investigations.